Hi, my name is Nick. I work in customer service here at PrintPapa. I want to give you a little tutorial on the retractable banner stands. The one that we have here is a premium retractable stand. It comes with the banner included. So first you want to take all the parts out of the carrying case and install this support rod. You're going to install that into the base. And you want to make sure that the flat edge is facing towards the banner itself, because that's where it's going to hook. So you may want to put your foot on the bottom of the base to help support while you pull the banner up. You want to grab both ends and pull up as straight as possible, making sure that it is coming out evenly. Just like so. The graphic measurements for this retractable stand are 33 inches by 80 inches. This is great for trade shows, basically anywhere you want to get your message across. People have used it for menus at restaurants, and basically any kind of advertisement you can think of. Something like this, if you're going to put it outdoors, you want to make sure that you do weigh down the base, because it will get blown with the wind. So when you're ready to take the banner stand down, you want to go ahead, get it from the top, unclip it, and you want to slowly retract it into the base. And you want to make sure that both sides are going in evenly to prevent any damage. Okay. And then you're going to pull the support rod out, fold that up, install that back in your carrying case, and you are good to go for your next event.